You might be eligible for a Genius discount at Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyu Haneda Airport Terminal 2. Sign in to check if a Genius discount is available for your selected dates. Genius discounts at this property are subject to booking dates, stay dates, and other available deals. Located at Haneda Airport's Terminal 2. Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyu Haneda Airport Terminal 2 offers modern air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi access. The hotel features a restaurant and massage services. Rooms at the Excel Tokyu Hotel have a flat-screen TV with satellite channels and a safe. A refrigerator and a tea maker are also provided. Hotel Tokyu Haneda offers luggage storage and meeting facilities. Vending machines offer drinks and snacks. Cafe and dining Flier's table serves Japanese and Western dishes. Room service is available. Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyu Haneda Airport Terminal 2 is a 20-minute drive from the Ginza area. It is a 35-minute train ride from Yokohama Station and 50 minutes by airport bus from Tokyo Disney Resort. Please note that there will be a power outage due to an inspection of the courtroom's electrical equipment on the following dates/times. October 23, 2024, 12:20 a.m. to 4:20 a.m., approximately 4 hours. This applies to guests staying on Tuesday, October 22, 2024, or guests staying consecutive nights.